Welcome to Mid-Chapter 5 review exercises, numbers 23 through 30. It says perform the indicated operations, and we're doing division here. And the first three are monomials. This is nice. So number 23 is just 12m to the fourth over 4m. This is just the rules of exponents. 12 over 4 is a 3, and then we subtract 4 minus 1 gives us m to the third power. Just the rules of exponents there. Next one, number 24. 4x squared plus 16x divided by 4x. That's 4x squared plus 16x, all divided by 4x, which kind of distributes into divide by 4x, and that's going to equal 4 cancels, and we get x plus 16 divided by 4 is 4. Excellent. Number 25. We'll do that one in that color. It's this whole thing divided by 3x. Let's write it down here below. 6x squared plus 9xy plus y squared divided by 3x. So all over 3x, and we do them individually at a time. All of that divided by 3x, and we get 6 divided by 3 is 2. X squared over x, we subtract the exponents, we're left with 1. Plus 3, that's 9 divided by 3. And then the x's cancel, so we just get 3y plus y squared over 3x. I think that's about as good as we're able to get there. All right, next is number 26. Here we have this whole thing divided by 8y. Let's write it out. Negative 56y to the fourth over 8y plus 44y cubed over 8y plus 64y squared over 8y minus 16y over 8y. Excellent. So the y cancels, and over here we're left just with a minus 2. Here, 2 minus 1 will be left with 64 divided by 8 is 8y. 44 over 8, that one doesn't simplify all the way, but you can take a 4 out of the top and a 4 out of the bottom, and you get 11 halves. Y cubed over y, 3 minus 1 is 2, so we're left with y squared. And right here, negative 56 over 8 is a negative 7. Y to the 4 minus 1 is 3. And so that will give you number 26. Number 27. We have a monomial again on this one. We get 4b to the 13th minus 7b to the 8th minus 4b to the 6th, and it's all over 4b cubed over 4b cubed over 4b cubed. So that becomes, the 4's cancel on this one. We get 13 minus 3 is 10. B to the 10th minus 7/4, that does not simplify, but a b to the 8th over a b cubed. 8 minus 3 is a 5, and then 4 cancels here, and b to the 6 over b to the 3 is just b cubed. 6 minus 3 is 3. All right, number 32. Not 32, number 28. We are 20, let me see, so we got 20x squared plus 2x minus 32. 20x squared plus 2x minus 32 divided by, now this is a binomial, so we have to do the long division. 4x minus 2, and 4x goes into 20x squared 5x times. 4 goes into 25 times. Then x to go into x squared needs another x. So 5x times this binomial, and we get 20x squared minus 10x. Don't forget, we subtract, and then we can keep going. This cancels, and that's 2 minus a minus 10. That's 2 plus 10. It's 12x minus 32. 4x goes into 12x 3 times. 3 times 4x is 12x minus 6. Again, we subtract both times there, and then we're left with gone. Negative 32 minus a minus 6, that's negative 32 plus 6, is a negative 26. So our answer would be 5x plus 3 with a negative 26 over the original 4x minus 2. And I think that could simplify just a little bit if you want to take a 2 out of the top and a 2 out of the bottom as well. but I think that's okay to leave it like that. Number 29, 5x squared minus 13x plus 6 divided by x minus 5. Look at this. This means we can do synthetic division. Put the opposite of negative 5 over there. That's a positive 5 in the box. Put the coefficients down. 5, negative 13, and 6. And 5 comes straight down. 5 times 5 is 25. Negative 13 plus 25 is 12. 5 times 12 is 60. 60 plus 6 is 66. This is the remainder. So this was, you remember, an x squared, so it drops a power, so it's now 5x plus 12, and then the remainder plus 66 over what we originally divided by, x minus 5. Excellent. And then the final one, number 30. Oh, look, we have synthetic division again. If we use a negative 7 over here, the coefficients 2, 18, 25, minus 21. Did we miss any terms in there? Nope. 3, 2, 1, 0. Good. All right. So 2 comes straight down with a 2. 18. Oh, negative 7 times 2 is a negative 14. 18 minus 14 is 4. Or 18 plus a negative 14, I should say. Negative 7 times 4 is a negative 28. 25 and a negative 28 is a negative 3. Negative 7 times negative 3 is a positive 21. Oh, look at that. Came out nicely. Now this was an x cubed, so now it's an x squared. So we get 2x squared plus 4x minus 3, and that is the solution.